Hi guys, it's not easy to pick up strawberries here because like this, as well as the other factor here, like the weather today is 25 degrees in New Jersey. That's Ligaya. Here's the call is almost full of strawberry fruits. So right now the weather is 75 degrees Fahrenheit in New Jersey, in Sister New Jersey. It's hot, guys. Look at the sun. It's so hot. The precipitation is zero, so no rain today. But the humidity is 38 degrees or 38%, something like that. Then the air, the wind per miles per hour is only 10, and the air quality is good. It's nice weather. Only it's sunny. So to pick up strawberry fruits in this flat here, in this spacious farm of strawberry here, beyond this are apple farm. Only the fruits are still young. It will be harvested in the late of August this year. So going back to picking up of strawberry here, it's not easy, Look at this. We need to move the leaves here because the strawberries are inside, like this. Inside here, you see? So there are some branches here. The strawberry fruits are on the branches of the strawberry plant. You need to move the strawberry plant to check underneath so that you can see the fruits. Just like me. I'm picking up this strawberry. Not really big fruits here because these are just extra or leftovers from the people who came here ahead of us. Let's go. So nice. So my grandkids are so happy. My daughter, my wife.